Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the synonyms of for the examinations of CGL. All whatever has been given, you just have a look. All the synonyms have been very helpful for various examinations. So please do not skip. I request you guys to go through whatever the questions have been given in it, whatever the synonyms. This will be very helpful for each and every exams. Please have a look. The word with the annals, it means whatever the historical documents, they are known as annals, which are stored in the museum. You will find these kind of historical documents, annals. We have the amnesty, that is pardon granted by government is amnesty. So whatever the government is given the pardon, that is known as amnesty. Anecdote, short amusing story about some person or event is known as anecdote. So it is a small story, amusing story about a person or an event. We have the parable, that is the story is intended to teach a lesson. Whatever the story we have which gives the lesson, that is parable. We have animals related, whatever the, like we have the crow and pebbles, that is one type of fable. So please go through whatever has been given. Parable is the story is intended to teach a lesson is parable, and whatever the story related to animal, cock and pebbles, that is fable. So here we have next pagan, doesn't believe in religion. The person who doesn't believe in God is atheist, but here it is pagan means he doesn't believe in religion. We have the aversion means strong dislike against someone. Here we have agnostic means one who doubts God's existence. He is like he don't know whether God is there or not. He is agnostic. Atheist means he doesn't believe at all. Though it's there in God also, he doesn't believe. Here we have ambivert, both introvert and extrovert is an ambivert. So that is one type of personality. For maximum people, they will be having this kind of personality, which is of good nature as well as bad nature, but that depends how you have to act. He has got the personality of introvert as well as extrovert. Agenda, list of issues or points to be discussed. We should remember that whatever the meeting will be held, there you have to produce agenda prior to the meeting for the higher officials. That is the issues and points to be discussed during that meeting. This type of agenda has to be forwarded to the higher authorities, because he has to go through, whoever head is, he has to go through the points and he has to prepare for whatever the consequences and questions during the meeting. Armistice, an agreement to pacify two parties is armistice. So this is something during the war, whatever the war happens, this armistice is an agreement to pacify means to calm two nations or two parties. Next we have artisan, the expert in any skill of hand. In this case, he got an expert, he's got skill during the whatever his work, he is an artisan. Abdicate, it means to leave or to give up the throne or other office of dignity. So he abdicated his post to so and so subordinate. It means he has resigned and gone given to subordinates, whatever subordinates. Arsonist means a person guilty of setting fire to the property is an arsonist. He has got guilty because he had set the fire for the property. Aphonia, that is total loss of voice. He lost his voice. That is known as aphonia. So these are few words. Please remember, you may be asked exams. So these are very simple words which can be remembered easily. So what are the picturized I had given, that is which are the important nature. Here you have anomaly, that is the deviation from a common rule is anomaly. Abattoir means the place where animals are killed for food is the abattoir, exactly where they kill the animals, the place. Actuary, one who calculates premium is an actuary. So he calculates the premium, that is actuary. Apostle, one of the 12 men chosen by Christ to spread his teaching is As you can see how exactly that is. Machinery is a same as usual. Apostle, one of the 12 men chosen by Christ to spread his teaching, is apostle. So here we have brewery, the place where wine is made. As you can see how exactly the wine is made in the various bigger whatever the, you can see the bigger tanks over there, so that the wine is prepared. Prior they used to prepare in a small basket type, but here as you can see the technology has advanced, so this brewery has changed a lot. Bohemian, that is one who doesn't follow the usual rules of social life, is a bohemian. As you can see, he doesn't follow whatever the usual rules, he is bohemian. Bigot means one who has obstinate and narrow religious views. We know that there are people who directly has obstinate and narrow religious views. He is a bigot. Next we have bellicose, one who is ready to start argument of right. So he is ready to argument. That is his type of nature is bellicose. Belligerent means nations engaged in war is belligerent. And blasphemy, we have the blasphemy, the uttered word against God, whatever the which should not be used, that words are used against the God, is one type of blasphemy. Borough means a small town within a town with its own governing council is borough. As you can see that Vatican City, what we can see, one type of a this type of borough. Benediction, blessing given by a priest. As you can see how exactly the blessing has been given by the priest to the whole over the place. So this type of blessing is known as benediction. So this is one type of giving blessing to the whole place. Bumpkin means we have a clumsy or stupid country person. He is known as a bumpkin. We have byre, a shelter for cow. As you can see in, we knew that how exactly the dog is kept and the horse is kept. So these are the place. Kennel is the place where the dog is kept. The same as usual for the cow, it is byre. So please remember, I request you guys to have a look in playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Please go through all the question papers that can be useful for your exams also. Cynic means a person who believes the worst about everyone is cynic nature. That guy has got the different mentality. He doesn't think of others regarding whatever the good in others. Callous means he is unsympathetic. He has no sympathy at all. That type of personality is known as callous. Circumstantial, clues are available at a scene, they are known as circumstantial. Circumstances is different, circumstantial is different. What are the clues available at a scene? As you can see, the interrogating team has gone to the place of whatever the murder and they find for the circumstantial. Here we have consternation means state of anxiety or dismay causing mental confusion, that is consternation. We have confiscate. As you can see to the right side of the figure, the girl was using the mobile, so that mobile got seized and taken away by the teacher, that is confiscate. Congregation means that is the gathering for religious events, is a congregation. Chasm means deep crack or opening in the ground is a chasm, which is very important nature. Next we have cataclysm, that is a violent disaster or upheaval is cataclysm. So it's a violent disaster or upheaval. Next we have the cull, that is an act of killing surplus animals is a cull. That is, as you can see how exactly the surplus animals have been killed. Corroborate, that is to confirm with the help of evidence is corroborate. So in this case, it gets confirmed with the help of an evidence, that is corroboration. Cynosure, the person of attraction, how you can see how exactly she has dressed and she is a person of attraction. So that is the reason, that is cynosure is the person of attraction. Chauvinism, believe that country race is better than any is chauvinism. So he believes that the country whatever the race is better than any other. So he has got, as we have this type of personality in defense forces, whatever the soldiers, they believe the country is first other than everything. Caricature, that is a drawing that is exaggerated as to appear ridiculous, is a caricature. So as you can see, the drawing which is exaggerated as to appear ridiculous. I had told this type of, even I made a slide of this. You can directly go through whatever the playlist has been given. Next we have dawdle, that is to walk slowly by wasting time. So as usual, dawdle is one type of stroll during the evening time post dinner. Here we have the demagogue. A democratic orator is known as demagogue. So this is one thing you have to remember. Dominion means an area of a land that is controlled by a ruler. As you can see, dominion. So an area of a land that is controlled by a ruler is dominion. Dandy, who pays too much attention to appearance. So they are pompous as well as dandy. So that pompous nature and dandy nature, that who pays too much attention to appearance is dandy. Dilettante, as you can see, one who is dabbler in arts, he is known as dilettante. Distort means pull out the shape, is one type of distort. As you can see how exactly the shape has been pulled out. We have the dotage, behaving like a fool during the old age is a dotage. Please remember, this is one thing you have to remember. Diurnal means of the daytime, exactly how exactly it has been made, you see. So during the daytime is known as diurnal. Dilate means to make or become larger is dilate. Here we have denizen, the one which found in a particular place is a denizen. Distraught, very worried and upset, that is distraught. Drizzle means light rain is one type of drizzling. So we have, initially we will get the drizzle and then followed by the good rain. Next we have diffident. As you can see, one who lacks confidence, he has no confidence at all, he is known as the diffident nature. Demophobia, as you can see, the exactly the crowd of the people, how the movement has been taken place, this is one type of demophobia. So is an example of fear of people. Enviable, that is likely to arouse envy, that is known as enviable. Euthanasia, as you can see, euthanasia is one thing bringing about a gentle and easy death from suffering. This type of death have been permitted for the paralysis or any kind of activity. He is no more helpful. That person can be given his own death by his approval. So that euthanasia can be legal in few places. Effulgence, as you can see, effulgence, a state of being bright and radiant is effulgence. So this is one thing you have to remember. Next we have excerpt, a part taken from a book, that is we have abstracted from the book, that abstraction is known as excerpt. We have exonerate, free somebody from blame or guilt. To exonerate something, to free somebody from blame or guilt. Epicurean means involving an appreciation of fine food and drink is an Epicurean. That is, he has involving an appreciation of fine food and drink is Epicurean. Next we have effigy means a likeness of a person is effigy. Epigram means a short and clever poem is one type of epigram. Etiology means a science of the cases of diseases is one type of etiology which should be remembered. That is, he has the science of the cases of the diseases, that is etiology. Exodus means large scaled departure of people. As you can see, there is a movie of Exodus also. In that, the large movement takes place from one place to other place. That departure is known as Exodus. Eccentric means he has got abnormal behavior of the person, that is eccentric. Elysian means paradise or a place where one gets supreme delight and bliss. As you can see, it's a paradise or place where one gets supreme delight and bliss, that is Elysian. As you can see, we have the places, that is Jerusalem. They are the places where you will have the different rejuvenation in your mind. Fastidious, not likely to be easily pleased, is a fastidious nature. He is very strong. He cannot be pleased very easily. Famine means a widespread scarcity of food. We should remember that this type of famine occurs during the time of natural calamity or during the war. As you can see, this corona biological disaster also, this type of calamity occurs. Funambulist, one who walks on rope is funambulist. He directly walks on the rope. Fanatical means that is excessively enthusiastic, often unreasonably about something is fanatical. Facade, the front of a building is known as that face of a building, that is facade. Flamboyant, as you can see, extremely showy. Whatever the dress she has worn, that is of big showy nature. They will these type of carnivals you will find in Brazil carnivals, and you will find in Thailand, where you will find this type of cabrilla show. So type it out what exactly the cabrilla show, this type of dressing and flamboyant personalities you will find. Fortnight, that is for the period of 15 days to 2 weeks, that is fortnight, which is very important. I hope all these questions will help you a lot. I request once you have a look in playlist, where you will find this type of playlist segregated for various examinations. I request you guys to go through all whatever has been given, because all the questions have compiled from various sources. The questions you have to learn maximum, so that with that you will be cleared for any examinations. If you sit in examinations, you should remember that these are the questions I have gone through that. So this will help you a lot in clearing your examinations. So thank you guys. If you want a PDF of this 2100 of GK and GS, that PDF can be given a free of cost. You can call me on 7666 730 252. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.